Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple seafood rice. I'm going to add some oil and we're going to add some butter to that. The first thing I want to cook off is my seafood. You could use whatever seafood you like. I'm going to use some shrimp. I have some mussels and some crawfish. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and season that with some Old Bay. Just a little bit of Old Bay. Like that. A little bit of garlic powder. Black pepper. And a little bit of sea salt. All-purpose seasoning. Okay, that should be good. You can go ahead and season it however you like. I missed the shrimp. I'll turn my stove back up just a little bit. And then we're going to allow this to cook for just a few seconds. Okay? Before I do anything else. And you know shrimp do not take long to cook. I just want to make sure it's nice and seasoned. Let's go ahead and taste it. That's fabulous. Has a nice flavor. So I'm going to turn my stove on high. And I'm going to allow this to cook, like I said, for a few minutes. And then I'm going to take it out. And we're going to start with our rice. Okay. Our seafood is cooked. I'm going to add just a little bit more oil. And we're going to add some butter. Now I'm going to go ahead and fry some onions. I'm going to let it get nice and translucent. And I also have some minced garlic. So we're going to allow that to cook for a few minutes. See, our seafood is looking fabulous. All right, so we're going to let this cook, and I have my stove on a medium high because I do not want to burn my garlic. We'll allow this to cook. And then I'm going to add my other ingredients. All right. Remember, do not allow this to burn. Now I'm going to use some frozen mixed vegetables because I want some mixed vegetables in mine. Okay. But this is optional. Let's put the whole thing in there. Why not? To our mixed vegetable, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt like that. I'm going to put some black pepper. And that should be good for our vegetables. So we're going to allow it to cook inside of our onions. Let me turn my stove back on high. Because remember, these were frozen. It's going to release some liquid. So I'm going to allow this to cook until the liquids is all gone. And then I'll come back. Okay. This took absolutely no time for the liquid to evaporate. This is why I like to use my wok when I'm making my seafood rice. Okay, so now we have some rice. This is a day-old rice. You know, my hands are clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put my rice in. You don't want anything to burn. rice in like that. Okay, now it's fabulous. Now to my rice, I'm going to season it. Just for color, I'm going to add this Season package that has the coloring. Or you could just use yellow coloring, yellow rice coloring, but I don't like to do that because I don't want that flavor in there. Our rice is starting to look fabulous. Let that fry a little bit in here. And taste it a little bit so I can see where I'm at. Guys, that is fabulous. Wow. And put a little more black pepper. I like, wow, that's delicious. I like garlic. You just add just a little bit more garlic. I'll let you taste my garlic. And then for a little heat, I'm going to add some crushed peppers. Oh God, that is absolutely fabulous. All right, after you mix it, you're going to add your seafood in. And I like to add, just it has a little bit of juice, so I like to add just a little bit like that. And you could serve it like this. And you just mix it in. As you see how fabulous this is. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And I'm going to allow this just to stay on the low, not have it on low, because you don't want to overcook anything. And our rice was already cooked. And our, wow. All right, guys, just wanted to show you our final product. Do you see our seafood rice? It is absolutely delicious. It is tasty, tasty, tasty. I forgot to mention, after I cleaned off my seafood, I did squeeze some fresh lemon over it. And also, if I didn't add much seasoning, it was only because our rice, when cooking it on yesterday, I did add salt to it, but it's absolutely delicious. It's tasty, fabulous, with a hint of heat with the crushed peppers. Guys, this is a must try. Until next time, like, comment, do not forget to subscribe. Delicious.